Welcome back to my channel Gyan Kitchen. Dear viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are well. Today I am going to cook Arabic traditional food chicken masboosh. But this chicken masboosh recipe is not the same that usually we are cooking. Today I am going to make little bit different chicken masboosh boneless. I hope you all will definitely like this recipe. Please keep watching the video till the end. Without wasting any moment, let's start our recipe. Ingredient for step 1: chicken, garlic, green pepper, ginger, onion, dry lemon, cardamom seeds, cloves, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, curry powder, vegetable oil and salt. Heat the oil to the cooking pot, then add all this ingredient and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add curry powder and just mix it. Then add chicken. Add boiled water and put salt. Cover the pot and cook the chicken for 1 hour in a low flame. Wash the rice thoroughly and soak it for 30 minutes. After 1 hour, when the chicken is cooked, take out the chicken and strain the water. Return the chicken water to the same pot, then add the rice and cook until the rice absorbs water. Gently boneless the chicken as shown in the video. When the rice absorbs water, gently mix, then cover the rice. Steam the rice about 10 to 15 minutes in a very low flame. Step 2: ingredient for chicken mixer for topping rice: butter, chopped onion, grated carrot, chopped parsley, salt, black pepper powder, cumin powder, curry powder, turmeric powder and tomato paste. Saffron for rice. Heat the butter in a frying pan, then add onion and fry until it becomes golden brown. Add carrot and stir well. Saute about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add tomato paste, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, cumin powder, curry powder and salt. Mix well, then add boneless chicken. Keep stirring the chicken about 3 to 4 minutes in a medium flame. Add parsley and mix very well. Then close the flame and keep the chicken aside. When the rice is fully cooked, immediately transfer to a serving dish. Separate little rice in a bowl, add saffron, then mix. Spread saffron rice on top. Place the chicken over the rice. Chicken Majboos Boneless is ready to serve. Serve hot immediately with tomato rakus or salsa. Thank you for watching. See you in next video with new recipe. Till then, goodbye.